Maing buntag sa mga higala sa kahanginan. Labaw na kayo sa diya sa RDM. Kani akong mga hisgot karon mga pulong akong i-address sa General sa RDM, labi na kayo kay Mr. Alvin. Kaning mga pulonga nagbagang mga balita gikan sa Bible. Ang ilang stand sa Romana Katoliko kinutlo sa Romans 1 verse 5-8. Nagsulti si Apostle Paul, by whom we have received grace and to save for obedience to the faith among all nations for his name. So Apostle Paul received the grace of God. Apostle Paul is not a boastful man. Apostle Paul is a humble man because it's written in Ephesians 2 verse 8-10. For we have saved through grace by faith. It is the gift of God. It is not our work. So that no man should boast. Why the Roman Catholic now claiming that they are saved, they are boastful to each other? That's a very big question. Then we read in Romans 1 verse 6, among who are you also the call of Jesus Christ? So mga tinawag ni Kristo. Kinsa mga tinawag ni Kristo? Matod pa sa Roman Katoliko, sila daw mga tinawag, mga hambugiro. Then Roman 1 verse 7, to all that be in Rome, beloved of God, called to be saints, grace to you and peace from God, our Father, and the Lord Jesus Christ. So, mga saints, mga santos, buhi pa mga santos ni, gipanawag sa Ginoo. Kano man sila nangambog, sinabli kayo. Romans 1 verse 8, first, I thank my God through Jesus Christ for you all, that your faith is spoken of throughout the whole world. What kind of faith? What kind of faith? Nangambog sila ang ilang pagtuo kuno na ang ilang pagtuo mao gi makaluwas nila. Unsa nagisulti diya sa Ephesians 2 verse 8-10. You are saved by grace through faith in Jesus Christ. That is the gift of God. Faith is the gift of God. Grace is a gift of God. It is not of your works. Ngambog gyapon sila. Questionable gyapon kayo. Romans atong padayonon ang whole chapter tungod kay kaning Romans chapter 1. It is a organized argumentation written by Apostle Paul. It is all about the universal sinfulness of men. So let us continue by reading Romans 1 verse 9. For God is my witness, whom I serve with my spirit in the gospel of his Son. No, Apostle Paul speaking about the spirit of his Son. What is Son? Son of God, Jesus Christ. That without ceasing, I make mention of you always in my prayers, making requests, if by any means now at length I might have a prosperous journey by the will of God to come into you. For I long to see you, that I may impart into you some spiritual gift, to the end ye may be established. Spiritual gift. What is the spiritual gift of God? Humble, long-suffering, di manghambog. Matingala ta ba sa Romang Katoliko ba? Hambugiro kayo, ang sila luwas, ang ilang simbahan mo, ang maluwas. Nalibog ko ang mga tawana kay imbes si Kristo ang ilang wali, ang simbahan naman ang iwali noon. Naglibog kayo. So, atong padayon nun sa Romans 1 verse 12. That is, that I may be comforted together with you by the mutual faith both of you and me. 13. Now I would not have you ignorant, brethren, that oftentimes I purpose to come into you, but was led hereunto that I might have some fruit among you also, even as among others Gentiles. 14. I am debtor both to the Greeks and to the barbarians, both to the wise and to the unwise. 15. So as much as in me, I am ready to preach the gospel to you that are at Rome also. 16. For I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ, for it is the power of God into salvation to everyone that believe, to the Jew first and also to the Greek. So the salvation is mentioned also for the Gentile, not only for the Greek, not only for the Israelite, but also for the Gentile. Gentile is Filipino, Americano, Japan, all except Israelite is Gentiles. For there is the righteousness of God revealed from faith to faith. So it is very clear, faith to faith. Faith alone, my friend. It's very clear. Faith alone, my friends. Faith to faith. As it's written, the just shall live by faith. Ang matarong nagpuyo sa pagtuo. Kaya pagtuo? Pagtuo, pagsalig niya ang Kristo. Ang Kristo ang Ginoo. Ugwa na, lain pa. Di siya magsalig sa iyang kagulingon. Kaya ang kagulingon nimo dautan kaayo. Kung sa may gisuwat dahil sa Romans 8 verse 7 and 8. Kisulti diya. Ang una-una sa unod, iya sa unod. Ang una-una sa espiritu, iya sa espiritu. Karon nanghambog man sila nga sila iluwas. Unsa man na una-una na sa unod, di na una sa espiritu. Kaya una-una sa espiritu, di manghambog. Mo na klaro mga higala sa kanginan mo na klaro kay diyang atong nagbagang mga balita atong nisgutan karon. So, Romans 1 verse 18, for the wrath of God is revealed from heaven against all ungodliness and unrighteousness of men who hold the truth in unrighteousness. So, klaro kay gisgutan nga kapungos sa Ginoo, mudangas sa gikan sa langit, mudangas sa mga taong dautan, katong nagpakaroing nun nga maaya sila, ilang gigamit ang pulong sa Ginoo sa pagdautan. Kinsa man na, klaro kay na, di ba? So Romans chapter 1 verse 19, because that which may be known of God is manifest in them, for God has shewed it unto them. 20, for the invisible things of him from the creation of the world are clearly seen, being understood by the things that are made, even his eternal power and Godhead, so that they are without excuse. Romans 21, because that when they knew God, they glorified him not as God, neither were thankful, but became vain in their imaginations, and their foolish heart was darkened. So klaro kay mahigala diri butang rin, no? Klaro kayo. Sa diyang nasayran lang ang Ginoo, ang gibutang diri, ilang gibaliktad ang maturan. Wa sila nagpasalamat sa Ginoo. Ang ilang giskot rin noon, kuros mga bakak. Ang manday nga si Kristo atong iwali sa matuuran, si Kristo gipada sa Ginoo. Ang lawas ni Kristo gilansang sa cross, kadugo-dugo ang kasing-kasing sa Ginoo para luwason ang iyang mga luwason. Pero unsa man gibuhat nila diri noon? Ang ilang giwali, ang ilang simbahan matuod di na si Kristo. Unsa man ni? Naglibog tani ba? So, Romans 1 verse 22, professing themselves to be wise, they became fools. O lantawa, nagpakawas-wise sila, mga history ilang gibasihan, wala sila gabasi Bible. Pero matod pa sa Ginoo diri, matod pa ni Apostol Paul, mga buwang sila, mga buwang-buwang, oh, they became fools. Romans 23, and since the glory of uncorruptible God into image made like to corruptible man, lang tawa lagi, unsa klaro kay diri. Gisulti diri ha. Ang Ginoo nga dili madunot, ilang gipulyag mga imahin nga mga dunot unto birds on bodies between unto birds and perforated beasts and creeping things. Verse 24, wherefore God also gave them up to uncleanness through the lust of their own hearts. So, klaro kay diri, busa kay wa man sila paggalang sa Ginoo, wa sila pagrespeto sa Ginoo, wa sila pagtaod, busa ang Ginoo mismo yatagan sila kaulag sa ilang manod. Kinsa man ni mga kaulag sa manod ba ning mga tawo nga bugiro kayo nga ilang angkon nga ang simbahan gid mao tinuod. Sa man ni? Libog kayo ba? To dishonor their own bodies between themselves. Ang tawa? Giyatagan sa Ginoo, kaulag silang unod tungod para ilang i-dishonor ang ilang mga kaugaling mga lawas. Maing